Welcome to Incredible Lab channel. Today I'll show you how to turn on incognito mode in your Android phone. Now if you want to enable incognito mode in your Chrome browser, just open up your Chrome browser. After open the Chrome browser, just tap on three dots at the top right corner of your display. Now from here tap on new incognito tab. And that's it. You have successfully enabled incognito mode in your Chrome browser. Now from here you can search anything as you want. Now I will show you how to turn on incognito mode in YouTube. So open up your YouTube app. Now from here at the bottom you can see profile option, then just tap on profile icon. And here you can see turn on incognito option, then just tap here. And here it is. Now incognito mode has been enabled successfully on YouTube. From here you can search anything as you like. And that is how you can turn on incognito mode on Android. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.